This short guide explains how to buy shares of ScanSource Inc. ScanSource distributes point-of-sale systems, barcode scanners, and communications equipment and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker SCSC, and this information is educational, not investment advice. You need a brokerage account to buy shares, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search to find the company by name or ticker. Type SCSC and select the ScanSource Inc. listing to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company details and a price chart. Confirm the company name and the ticker SCSC match ScanSource Inc. before proceeding. Press Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or scheduled, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A reference link to eToro is provided in the video description.